Howdy crew, an extra little legal tip to help y'all if y'all are starting an S-Corp for a welding rig. Let's get to it. So one extra thing that I would like to mention that's a legal tip. This is for me. If y'all are looking into starting S-Corp, I recommend that you look at this because as of right now, it is mandatory, which is a BOI, beneficiary owner inquiry. So I'm going through a lot of different things, filling out forms, all that stuff. So it's beneficial owner inquiry, and it's through Department of Treasury. I forgot, I've been going through a bunch of things. It's something for y'all to look up. I do say this, I'm not here telling y'all what you need to do. This is for y'all to look up yourself. I can't hold y'all's hand and do every little step. I say all these things from things I've learned that I didn't know beforehand, or something that was concrete that I did need to do, which this BOI, Beneficial Owners Inquiry, and through the Treasury Department, and you have to fill out all these forms, and it's basically saying if something happens to you, where does the company go? Who's next in line? Is it if you're the president, is it the treasurer? Is it the secretary? Is it the board of directors? Is it a family member, a friend? Who is it? Is it an employee, manager? What happens if something happens to you? And in coming back from memory, it should be 2023. If you filed an S-Corp, you have all through 2024. If you file in 2024 for the S-Corp, you have either 60 or 90 days to fill out the form, get it sent off, and have it approved. And then if you start in 2025, then y'all will only have 30 days to do the form. So it's supposed to be done as soon as possible, just so legal things go smoother, all that good stuff. Obviously, I'm filing in 2024. I kind of forgot that I already did it because I was going through a bunch of paperwork at the beginning, and I remember, so I'm typing back in. Can't believe I forgot to do that. Well, I actually did. I did at the very beginning with LegalZoom, but when y'all are starting the company, there's a lot of things going on. Sometimes you forget you already did something, which happened to me. But I just wanted to put that out there. If y'all are starting S-Corp, or I don't know if it's for LLC or sole proprietorship, regardless, look into BOI, Beneficial Owners Inquiry, and just so that y'all are on the safe side of all the legal beagle whatnots. And if you don't have to do it, well then, good, you looked into it. But it's safer to look into it and not need it than you really need it and you just say, I shouldn't be concerned about that. So just a heads up, something that I went through, I was like, crap, I should have done that, which I already did. I was still well within the time frame of getting it done if I hadn't, but I did do it in the beginning with LegalZoom and already done. But there's a lot of paperwork, just a lot of stuff going on, and just I wanted to put that out there that things do get mixed up. You think you either had or hadn't done something, so you want to step by step go through everything. LegalZoom's proven to be really good to me. I've gone through the EIN, filing all the paperwork, Secretary of State here in California. Then you have the BOI, which went to the Treasury Department or whoever it goes to. I think it's Treasury Department, because then they know where funds go, all that stuff. But just so y'all have a heads up, it may be very important. If not, well then at least y'all heard of it. Y'all considered it, looked into it. But if it is important, make sure you get that done. They don't joke around on time frames. So hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.